So imagine one more time that you are a body of water. And if you're a body of water and you're a bottle and you're sitting right now on your tush, well, where is the sediment going? It's going right on your tush. So the more you sit on your tush, the more sediment will be there. The more important it is to offer some of this pumping action with your hands. I like to say that your hands are cashiers, extra cashiers on the cashiers of your inguinal area or your axillary area, whatever area of your body needs more movement, more pumping of the lymph. Your hands are ready cashiers, ready, able, and willing, and effective. All you want to remember is gentle, slow repetition. Be kind. And you'll find that it starts to be very sleepifying. It's like a waltz rhythm. It's very slow. And it's meant to put your body into this nicely altered theta state where you go into parasympathetic, out of sympathetic. When you're in parasympathetic, the vagus nerve activates, the digestive juices activate, the lymphatic movement activates, all the rejuvenation functions activate. And we kind of go to sleep. Since the only disadvantage of doing your own self massage is you'll find as you're helping yourself get your sinuses clear or your belly feel better or your legs less swollen, you'll put yourself right to sleep. So that's a great time to do it in the bath where you're already in a body of water, in the bed when you're already kind of drifting off and feeling floating, and sometimes in the morning because the morning you've been lying horizontal all night and maybe that's when you want to do your ankle circles and your little bicycle wheels and get your legs activated before you get up. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Again, my book is Feel Like Yourself Again. You can find it on Amazon, and it has a lot of this material in it, but not as specific as I've been giving to you now, because I've been developing this work over many, many years. And the more I heal myself, the more I can help you heal yourself. And one of the things I've discovered that I've put into this leg work is I cured myself of plantar fasciitis. And I have a video on my YouTube channel that you should check out if you want to see just that. And I show K-tape too. But I don't go into all the specifics as much as I did in this class. So